How to replace the belt tensioner in your 1994 to 96 Cadillac Fleetwood, Chevy Caprice, Chevy Impala SS, and Buick RoadMaster. I am Stephen Wimberley, and this is Working with Wimberley. Here's the new tensioner right here. As you can see, there's 2 points where we'll put the bolts, and on the motor, you can see the old tensioner. There's one 10mm bolt right here that we'll have to remove. There's another 10mm bolt right here. Once you take those 2 10mm bolts out, the tensioner should come away. I'm going to use my breaker bar extension and 10mm socket to loosen the bolts first. Then I'll take them out the rest of the way with the ratchet. And then the installation is just the reverse of the removal. So here's the old tensioner, here's the new one. Just a quick note, the center bolt on the old one is a 13mm, but the center bolt on the new one is 15. Tighten the 2 nuts with the socket and ratchet. And this job is done. If you found this video helpful, be sure to subscribe to the channel, give me a thumbs up, and leave a comment. God bless you all.